Hennessy, please.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know that I'm daily coming with a new amazing project. Today I have the best USDT earning website just for you. So first of all, if you're new on my channel, so please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming new videos. So let's start without wasting our time. Friend, as you can see here, the new website is here. You just need to put your email, password and invitation code. Just click on sign up. Okay, I have already signed up on this website. Okay, after signing, you can see here the announcement of this website. All the information all mentions here. You can see here the minimum deposit 8 USDT, 24 hours every day. Alright, withdrawal fees is 0%. You can see here all information deposit, all VIPs are mentioned here. Okay, after that you can click on I know. After that you can see here the website interface. You can see here the recharge option, application option. Yeah, as you can see here the withdrawal button. Okay, if you want to change your language, you can see here the language button. You can also select the language as you want your language. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the profile section. As you can see here, my VIP is unlocked already and my total balance is 8 USDT. I will tell you how to recharge on this website and how to perform tasks and withdrawal all processed. Okay, so don't skip any kind of step of this video. So you can see here the recharge option. Just click on recharge and you can see here the all type of chains you can select. Just I recommend you just select TRC20. Okay, TRC20 USDT. Just click on this and you can see here the deposit address here. Just click on copy. You will copy this address automatically. Before copy this address and before deposit this website on this website. Okay friends, just click on this address. Address is copied successfully. Now you can add fund from Trust Wallet or any exchange as you have fund available. Okay, so friends, you can see here I am in the Trust Wallet and click on USD Tron TRC20. Your fund must be in Tron TRC20. So just click on send button and now click on paste option. Okay, just click on the amount section and tap the amount which VIP you want to unlock. Okay, after that you click on the next button. After that you need to confirm the transaction. After that come back the same website and click on the recharge option. Okay, your deposit will be add in your website after 1 to 3 minutes like this. Okay, now you can see here the VIPs. As you can see here, my VIP1 is unlocked. Effective time, you can see here the daily task is two tasks, simple interest 1.9 USDT and daily profit 3.8 USDT. Okay, now you can see the VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7, VIP8, VIP9 and VIP10. In this website you can see the VIP10. You can unlock any kind of VIP as you want. Okay friends, now click on the team section. You can see here your referral link. Just click on this copy and share this referral link with your friends. Okay, as your team size is increased, your team withdrawal, team recharge also increased. Okay, now go to the task section. You can see here the 2 tasks available if you upgrade your VIP. Okay, just click on to complete. After loading, your task will be done from here and your daily income will add in your account. So I will complete it first. So after loading, you can see here my 2 tasks is completed successfully. Now I'm gonna show you the daily income from here. Okay friends, now I will tell you how to withdraw from here. Just go back to the home section. Now click on withdraw and you can see here my daily income is total balance available in here. So just click on your you can see here you withdrawal method is TRC20. Same deposit and withdrawal must be TRC20 USDT. Okay, now I will recommend you just withdraw this balance from this website to your Binance. Just open your Binance account and click on the wallet side and click on now deposit option. Okay, now you can see here the TRC, TRX and USDT. Just click on USDT. Okay, and you can find from here the TRC20. Okay, okay, you can see here Tron TRC20. This is your deposit address. Okay, just copy. Okay friends, just copy your TRC20 address from Binance and come back to this website and click here the withdrawal address and just paste your withdrawal address and just put your total balance as you can see here. And now password, which password you have entered the sign up, and just click on the same password and confirm. Now you can see here the withdrawal successfully to our Binance wallet. Okay, just wait only few minutes. After that, just scroll this main page and you can see here the membership list. This is just for satisfaction. You can see here the VIPs and daily income of that peoples, which peoples have joined this website. And you can also earn like this passive income from this website, and you can also upgrade any kind of VIP on your own responsibility. So you can see here the our daily income is credited to our Binance. So I gonna show you how much time will take this process of withdrawal. Just come on your Binance and just refresh. So friends, you can see here my deposit of 3.8 USD is successfully completed. Okay, you can see here. Now you are satisfied from this website. It's really paying website. You can easily join and earn money from here like this. Okay, I hope you are satisfied from this website. Now you can recharge and update any VIP. And if you want to join this website link is available in video description. You can easily register and sign up, and also upgrade any VIP, and you can also earn money from here. So if you like my video, so please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming new videos. Okay friends, love you all.